Today, we're looking at this really nice ice shaver from Vevor. Here it is compared to a gallon milk for size comparison. So yeah, you can see how big it is, but it is not crazy super big like the other ice shaver from Vevor in my previous video. Inside the package, this is all you get. The unit is 95% assembled, the bowl to contain the shave ice, 6 feet of cable to plug it in over here on the left hand side. Plug it in and press the power button to turn it on. Assembling is really easy. Just take the screws off here. Every time you press on it on the ice, the unit will turn on to start shaving the ice. By the way, if this video is helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. This lets YouTube know my video is indeed helpful and will recommend it to others like yourself. Once this nut has been removed, take the whole bolt out and feed this handle back in through the bolt. Now that it's through, you can put the lock ring on and then the nut back on again. Even though the unit is turned on, there is no way for it to spin, no way for it to shave without you having to press on it right here. You can hear a click, and that is the switching sound to turn on the machine, to turn the motor on. The unit is now fully assembled and ready to go. But before we do anything, we should clean the inside of it because we have no idea how clean the factory is or isn't. Get a wet towel and then just rinse it all around. Wipe it down real good. Obviously, unplug the power cord from the outlet. Make sure that there is no power whatsoever, else you might accidentally shave your fingers off. It's interesting to note that on the left hand side, there is something that looks like a fuse, but I don't know. It doesn't feel or work like a fuse, so I have no idea what it is. If you know what this is, please let me know in the comment section below because I can't find this anywhere in the manual. Taking a look inside the unit, there is 4 blades, and sadly I have no idea how to change the blades. Strange that the manual does not say what or how to get extra blades to install. Very odd. If you know how to change the blades, please let everyone know in the comment section below. The unit is plugged in, the power button is on, and we are ready to go. Just pull on the handle and press into the ice, into the blades. Just for curiosity, I plugged the unit into an EcoFlow Delta Plus. The shaver is pulling around 280 watts. That means you can use this unit for at least 3 hours non-stop if you plan on taking this for a camping trip or something. This is what the result looks like. The ice is pretty fluffy. Go ahead and put it in another bowl and add some flavors to it. I have a bunch of these flavors that I bought from Amazon, but you can certainly make your own to save even more. If you want extra flavor, add in some condensed milk or fresh fruit, but for now it is really good by itself. Enjoy! When you're done shaving, you can see that there are some wet areas here, down the bowl, and down here. Have some towels ready. Wipe everything down to make sure it's dry. On the inside, the blades, as well as on the bottom. Make sure everything is nice and dry before you store it away. Alright, hopefully you found this video helpful. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.